Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today, place several shapes in random directions. Select all, click align right. Everything snaps to one clean boundary. Now apply distribute vertical to adjust spacing. This creates a neat sidebar style layout. Create for mobile UI and web mockups. Consistent spacing improve user experience. Layout no feels organized and intentional. Add icons or text blocks alongside for balance. Alignment helps maintain clarity in multi-element design. User guide if you want even tighter control, but alignment alone handles most spacing work. Professional layout rely on consistency. Keep using these tools to streamline your workflow with alignment. Even complex design stay simple in Photoshop.